I just poured 16 ounces of nuts right in here, my crock pot. Ooh, I love nuts. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with some milk chocolate. Look at that, I'm just gonna pour those right there on top of all those nuts. Yes, this is what I'm talking about, you guys. Now I have some creamy peanut butter, and just look at that. We're gonna pour that right on top of that chocolate and those peanuts. This peanut butter is gonna taste so good mixed with the chocolate. It's also gonna let that chocolate get nice and smooth and creamy, and that's exactly what we want. Oh, it is looking delicious already. Okay, we're coming in with one more bag of chocolate, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of that delicious peanut butter we have here, you guys. This is my favorite 3-ingredient sweet treat. Last, we're gonna grab ourselves a little bit of inspiration, and we'll just drizzle that right on top. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely fabulous. That is all we need right there. We're gonna go ahead and turn our crock pot on low. We're gonna cover that up, let it cook for about 35 minutes on warm, just stirring frequently, letting all of that chocolate melt together with the peanut butter and the nuts. Wow, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Stick around and see how it turns out. Yum, I can't wait. Our chocolate is all melted. Ooh, I love the smell of melted chocolate. I just wanna come in here one last time and make sure that all that peanut butter and the chocolate is melted together. Oh, look at how creamy that looks. I can't hardly wait. Oh, you better believe I'm gonna be, oh wait, actually, you know what, let me give it a try.
Good.
I'm gonna just eat it like that out of the container. All right. Here I have a little nifty melon ball scooper. It just makes it easy, because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these clusters and put them right like that over onto my parchment paper. Now, I really like using the melon ball scooper because I feel like it kind of is like the perfect size. Otherwise, my tendency is to make it way too big, you know? I love my peanuts, and I will just make them so large. These are looking so good. Now I'm gonna throw a little bit of coarse sea salt here. I'm just gonna put that in my hand, and I'm gonna go through and sprinkle it all on the top, because I absolutely love the taste of a little bit of saltiness along with the sweet. I think it also goes really good with the peanuts and the peanut butter. Now, also just know that this is definitely an optional ingredient. And of course, if you're staying away from salt, then just don't put it on. Or you know what? You could always do half and half. Okay, we're almost done here. Now we're just gonna let these sit, and they are gonna cool down. They're gonna be so good. I can't wait to show you how they turn out. So stick around, we're almost done. And you better believe I'm gonna probably be eating like, I don't know, at least half this tray. Oh my goodness, these are all done, and I cannot wait to eat one of these. Seriously, a combination of all my favorite flavors here. Milk chocolate, peanut butter, nuts. A little bit of sea salt. Look at that. Wow, these are creamy, so tasty. Such a good, easy little treat. You guys are gonna love these things. One of my favorites by far. Nailed it.